R. Kelly collapses in prison. Was it on purpose? According to a breaking report and an emergency court filing from R. Kelly legal team, the R&B singer allegedly overdosed on June 13th after being given an extra dose of medication by prison staff. He reportedly woke up feeling faint, dizzy, and seeing black spots before collapsing in his cell. His team says he crawled to the door, passed out, and had to be rushed to an outside hospital by ambulance. But here's where things get wild. Someone in that ambulance allegedly said out loud, "This is going to open a whole new can of worms." Hold up, what do they mean by that? Now here's where it gets even deeper. R. Kelly lawyers say that after he got to the hospital, doctors discovered blood clots in his right leg, left leg, and lungs. Doctors allegedly recommended immediate surgery and 7 days of treatment, followed by 2 more weeks of recovery. But according to the filing,